Yo, how's it going, EDM YouTube? My name is Frisky. I'm an EDM content creator, go to a lot of raves, a lot of festivals, and I love to vlog about them. We just got done with day 1 of EDC Orlando. This is now day 2. I'm excited, honestly, for this back-to-back. So it's Green Velvet, back-to-back Dom Dalla, back-to-back John Summit, and I'm like pretty freaking excited for that. It's like my top set that I have to like be there for. I gotta go pick up my shuttle pass today. We're doing a little brunch thing with a bunch of friends and stuff. And then we got the Radiate Meetup today. So if you haven't watched day 1, I'll put it on the top somewhere if you want to go ahead and just check it out first. And let's go, day 2.
Funny, right?
Yeah, I love it.
What's up, Frisky?
Hey, how's it going?
Hey man, can you take a picture of this?
Bro, a video will literally tell 1,000 words.
That's what I meant.
This is my plate. I keep telling Eric the eggs are water. He claims it's butter.
It's butter.
I'm gonna fight you. I'm gonna fucking kick his ass. So we're gonna go to the shuttles, but like it's just hard finding parking. So I think we're just over looking for parking. We're just gonna fucking drive there tomorrow though, because we're gonna get fucked up tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna Uber from the house to the shuttles now that we know there's no parking like around, and we'll just use the shuttles tomorrow, which is funny because like we paid $80 for the shuttle service that we only use like once.
Yeah.
Okay. They're not just the people who live online.
They'd be like, oh, we want a magnet.
We're getting our shuttle passes on day 2. We're only gonna use them for day 3 though.
Be more chill, I think, too.
The first artist.
First couple artists, then it's gonna go into Shaq and Subtronics, Excision.
I think definitely it's gonna start with Shaq, like 100%.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the vlog jack and zip my stuff. Alright, we're just getting through security. I'm gonna go get some tents for the medical tent because I get really bad heartburn. You guys have any Tums? Yeah. Appreciate it. My stomach can't handle liquor. Oh yeah. Can't handle liquor like I used to. Okay, we prioritized dropping off the wallet and the hat to Lost and Found. And it's good because they can pick it up at that area. I don't know if he'll be able to get in today, but maybe he can get it tomorrow. So we just went to the restrooms. We were gonna go buy something to drink, but our friend Allie is working at the bar Circuit Grounds. We're gonna go see her because we're gonna give her something. So might as well kill 2 birds with 1 stone. We're taking a shortcut. Hello, how are you?
How are you? So good to see you.
Hey buddy, how you doing? Yeah, you too.
It's really a pleasure. I love the pit today.
Yeah, you too, man.
I'm going my best. I gotta get to the king. Look at that! Look at that!
Daddy, bro.
Alright, let's do some pictures. Yeah. Long last. Woo!
Radiate meetups in about 2 minutes. I thought I could cut through here, but we had to go the long way, so I'm like, oh shit, I might not make it in time, so I might be like a minute late. Sam's over there. I'm kind of running though. Hey. How's it going, guys? Everybody pick your spirit animal.
Oh shit!
You get one, you get one.
Dinosaur!
You get one.
Snake!
Oh, for sure.
Oh my god, Reggie.
You just helped me treasure time, bro.
Reggie! Santa Claus.
Thirty of us here.
got the chicken teriyaki bowl. Are you lost?
Where am I?
You doing okay?
Who is this?
EDC, are you ready? Let's fucking go! Y'all fuck with that weird shit?
Okay, so it is the next day. Honestly, day 2 was probably like my favorite day. I know we only had 2 days total, but day 2 we had that meetup. It was huge. I went to the Lunchbox and Rave Culture Cast meetup too. Theirs was huge. Saw so many people. I really kind of want to take like a content creator like group picture. I don't know if that's gonna happen. It's a lot of fun though, man. Like the sets were definitely amazing, and I kind of just went with like the flow of things. So like I think it was a little easier than having to like see the artists that I mean there were some I did want to see, but I mean I was just having so much fun with like my friends and stuff. And honestly, that's what it comes down to sometimes. Like I was just having a great time with, hanging out with my friends. But I hope you guys enjoyed vlog number 2. If you guys haven't seen vlog number 1, go ahead and check it out. And now let's move on to vlog number 3.